Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can use Google Cloud Text-to-Speech. In order to do so, here we are at google.com, and after doing some research on the subject, discovered that you can use Google Cloud Text-to-Speech via the Google Cloud Console Vertex AI Studio for a user-friendly interface, or programmatically using the Cloud Text-to-Speech API. But both methods require setting up a Google Cloud project and enabling the API first. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Sintra. Sintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist that's all about Sintra, and if you use our referral link, you can get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you use our referral link, you can get $50 to open an account, and if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.